So here are top 5 mistakes Las Vegas homeowners make. Buying a house you cannot afford is one. Shopping for a house is an exciting time, and it can really be tempting to get carried away with all the possibilities, especially when a lender has pre-approved you for a certain amount. But buying more than you can afford, a home that stretches your finances to their limit, could be one of the riskiest decisions you ever make. Those sky-high payments will put you in huge pressure on your budget and leave you vulnerable when other expenses show up unexpectedly. Don't set yourself up for that stress, so you can comfortably enjoy life in your new home without any additional issues and stress. Buying the wrong size home, whether you're a first-time home buyer or an experienced homeowner, it's important to think wisely when selecting the size of your future home. With the right strategy, you can maximize your comfort and satisfaction and help protect your wallet. Buying a home that is too small can make life inconvenient as well, while buying one that is too large can be wasteful and expensive. I know life changes during time, but most of the time you can pretty much predict what's going to happen in your next 3 to 5 years. The process of buying a larger home with more space and furniture costs more in taxes and mortgage rates compared to a home that fits comfortably without exceeding budget and needs. To avoid filling out applications for new mortgages and moving again twice, be sure to find the exact size household for yourself. Not too big, not too small, so preventing regrettable situations down the line. Comment below if you have experienced this and you bought a house that is too big or too small. How many years do you think it takes to grow out of your current home? The next thing is ignoring issues. So owning a home is quite the responsibility, and many people fail to keep up with the little things that need attending to. From the little crack in a window frame to a minor plumbing issue, these can quickly upgrade from minor issues to potential money pits if given enough time. In fact, neglecting these smaller issues often come with hefty consequences, requiring more expensive repairs or reinforcement than you had taken care of it in the beginning. But you don't have to stress about how budget for the big ticket repairs. Instead, staying on top of small problems as they arise should prevent you from any major headaches later on down the line. If you want a list of home ownership maintenance plans, simply reach out and I'd be glad to help you keep your home in great shape. Then I can help you sell it down the line and put more money in your pocket because the house will be in great shape. Next thing is overspending on renovations. When you purchase a home, one of the first exciting aspects is the prospect of making it your own. But there are many pitfalls to avoid if you want to save money and time on renovating your dream home. As overestimating budgets is just one of the mistakes new homeowners make, it's easy for costs to end up being much higher than anticipated, especially when aiming for a specific outcome. With remodeling bathrooms, unexpected costs may arise that can put an additional strain on your wallet. And unfortunately, these tend not to be recoverable once you eventually go to sell the home either. To help ensure that you don't find yourself in this situation or overspending unnecessarily, it's important to properly plan in advance and keep a close eye on what you're spending. If you need help, feel free to reach out to a real estate professional like me, and so we can discuss what you might be able to do to upgrade your home and add some value. Comment below what you think gives you the best value in your home. The next thing is eliminating bedrooms or bathrooms. Many buyers today can be swayed by the number of bedrooms and bathrooms a home has to offer. If you're considering reducing the number of rooms available, I would say turn a bedroom into something else. This could seriously have a far-reaching impact on the resale value of your property. You may think it's progressive, but not everyone is ready for those kind of changes, especially when it comes to their own house. It sounds like a no-brainer in theory, but when it comes to potential buyers' concerns, transferring a bathtub into an oversized shower might be making omelet without breaking any eggs. So those who are expecting or have children that needs bath and showers that can both meet their needs. Furthermore, certain home insurance providers may require a certain number of bedrooms as they gauge the risk of profiles of different homes. These are just some things to consider before turning your bathroom into only shower and vice versa. Home ownership has its benefits, but a lack of research and preparation can lead to regret. As exciting as it can be to buy a home and imagine decorating, landscape, and remodeling each space, buyers need to do their homework first, not researching the property beyond its location, price, and look will mean you miss out on details like HOA fees that can drive up the cost of your dream home as well. So if you're determined to make the leap into home ownership, make sure you take the time in researching so that you know exactly what you're signing up for. Then once you invest in a home, review all the great tips out there to avoid any rookie homeowner blunders. For example, never forget homeowners insurance. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to help you, guide you through your journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.